The government has brought two ordinances to extend the tenures of the CBI and Enforcement Directorate chiefs to up to 5 years. The chiefs of the central agencies currently have a 2-year tenure. Both the ordinances have been signed off by President Ramnath Kovind. The chiefs of the top agencies can be given extensions every year for up to 3 years after they complete the 2-year term. Whereas the Parliament is not in session and the President is satisfied that circumstances exist which render it necessary for him to take immediate action, the ordinances underscore. Moving on to the next news, Kane Williamson's New Zealand eye a second global crown in a single year when they take on Australia at the 2020 World Cup final that will witness a new winner today. New Zealand and Australia renew their Trans-Tasman rivalry in Dubai as both teams look to clinch their maiden world title in the shortest format. It's a hat-trick of ICC finals for the once perennial underdogs of world cricket after they outplayed India to win the inaugural Test Championship in June. They beat favourites England in the semi-final to avenge their 2019 defeat in a dramatic 50-over World Cup final at Lord's when they went down on boundary count after a super over. Moving on to the next news, the Congress was hugely upset today with its leader pointing out that no senior minister was present at the traditional function in Parliament to mark the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Even Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu had skipped the function, the party said. Congress's chief whip in Rajya Sabha, Jairam Ramesh tweeted, "Extraordinary scene today in Parliament at the traditional function to mark the birth anniversary of those whose portraits adorn the central hall. Speaker Lok Sabha absent, Chairman Rajya Sabha absent, not a single minister present. Can it get more atrocious than this?" Moving on to the next news. Children who are dragged into the criminal justice system must be helped, Chief Justice N.V. Ramana said today at an event. Invoking Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, on his birth anniversary, the Chief Justice said, "Today the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru is being celebrated all over the country. On Children's Day, it is befitting that we are launching schemes that are primarily targeting the legal aid for children. We must consider maintaining staff who is trained in child-friendly legal aid and other specialized skills such as psychosocial support. Children who are dragged into the criminal justice system must be helped," he underlined. Moving on to the next news, top Maoist leader Milind Teltumbde, also an accused in Bhima Koregaon violence case, was among the 26 Maoists gunned down in a massive encounter on Saturday in Maharashtra's Gadchiroli. 16 teams of the anti-Maoist C-60 commandos with over 500 personnel carried out the huge security operation that started at 6 a.m. on Saturday and went on till 4 p.m. 4 security personnel were injured in the operation. This was one of the biggest encounters in the recent years in the forests of Gadchiroli.